It wasn't long ago that the automotive industry underwent and survived a crisis. I believe we will be facing a similar challenge if we do not rewire the way we think and how we approach the service experience. A Cox Automotive Maintenance and Repair study revealed that 57% of dealerships say that service retention is their primary concern. And it should be. Service keeps customers. The decision maker has a variety of oil and filter retailers she can visit. Let's face it, she's going to dictate where her family vehicles get serviced. If you want the chief purchasing officer to choose you, you must turn a decades-old transactional service into an interaction. In the same study, results showed that 80% of dealerships say they do not have a system that facilitates a superior customer experience. This is a problem. How can you expect your team to deliver on a customer's expectations if you don't provide them with the tools they need to be successful? I'm assuming you would like to turn your transactional service into an interaction, living up to her expectations. My guess is you said yes silently to yourself. I have developed a customer compass, a system your team can follow in the service drive. I gave this compass an acronym, GREET. Greet her using her name and yours. Open her door if time permits. Review her expectations, ask her, and then deliver on them. Establish an appropriate wait time, and then evaluate the wait time. Communicate frequently and show her what's happening behind the scenes. And finally, take her to her car, complete a walk around and ask, is there anything else I can do for you? Taking these small steps, referring back to your customer compass and executing this simple system will turn the expected transactional service experience into an interaction she'll want to have again. I'm Katie Mares, and thank you for watching The Decision Maker.